for if the partner. So this is the master. So this is the master agreement. Sorry, not master agreement yet. This is a partner agreement for if the partner is a vendor, business partner is a vendor, then we'll create like this. Okay. In the business partner also, here also the payment term, scheduling, type of customer, bill form, payment method, everything will be used. Okay, all the same thing, same, all of these will be used. It can be paid manually, it can be paid via payment method also, outgoing payment method also it can be paid. And here also, um I have not checked this sales organization. Yeah, these are also assigned here, sales organization. It does not mean that here we are going to go for data like purchase organization, like you assign during the purchase order. Okay, it will also, it will consider the sales org division and distribution channel as well. Okay, so let's start the let's create the master data in our company code. Yes, Saurav, tell me.
Yes, Subhadra, for partner, sorry, for the, what was that? Okay. For the partner
Partner.
contract, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, for the partner contract, we are getting it from the subscription order management, SOM, or like
Everything,
they,
everything. This one, both are created from subscription order management. Some, even the BP and CS are also being created from the SOM team.
okay.
Okay, in our
And
training, I'm going to create, but it will be
oh yeah,
created from SOM.
that should fine. Okay. Um, there could be a possibility that upstream system are not using SOM, they're using Salesforce, Zora, anything, okay. And in those
Yes.
systems, like we are also required to ask the Salesforce team to get the master data, and we require to replicate that. How exactly we will be going to work in those scenarios? I just wanted to understand, like, in case in future I will face that.
Yes, we need to replicate the same into CC. If there is
Mm.
SOM, it will be distributed from SOM. If not, then it will be distributed from the other, whatever, apart from SOM, whatever other CI and CC.
Scenarios. I just wanted to understand, like, in case in future I will face that.
Yes, we need to replicate the same into the CI and CC. If there is
Mm.
SOM, it will be distributed from SOM. If not, then it will be distributed from the other, whatever, apart from SOM, whatever other system we are using, it will be distributed accordingly. Okay, so whatever your CRM system, that will create the BP, and the BP will be distributed to CI first, then it will go to the CC. Similarly, when the contract account is created, the contract account will also be replicated to our CI, then it will go to the CC system.
And when let's take an example, when it is getting created in a CRM system, and when we are saying it is getting auto-replicated in a CI system, is it coming through some IDOC connection or something else? Like
No,
how exactly?
there is something called ODI, order data infrastructure, via which it gets replicated here.
Okay, okay. I don't
Okay.
remember, like I remember like few of the people call it BDoc for that. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, that's why I was asking. Is there a
business
configuration?
business documents, bdoc was used in crm isu replication, but here I don't know if they have bdoc, because I have heard when the contract application failed, they call it something like fica error, something like that, but that is being fixed by the SOM team only. Okay, their
Okay, so
application, they fix it. And what
okay,
is the
so that
SOM config, I don't know exactly.
okay,
Okay,
okay, got it, got it.
how they link it. Mhm.
So whenever we will be doing a configuration, we should be asking the SOM team. Okay, the point of contact should be SOM team, not us.
Yes, replication belongs to them, that is their issue. Okay, if it is not replicated correctly, then it'll the bits will go to raw.
Got it.
Okay, so first business partner, we will configure the business partner, go to BP, and we can put any person, organization, group. Say I'll go for a person BP, select a person, and here you can put a name for the customer, and let's call it Travis Head. head, any street, 35 Kamak Street, house number is 56, postal code.
We can update just with Bruma's address.
Okay. US. Okay, these I'm not explaining. You already know this thing. Telephone, blah blah blah. Okay, address overview. Here we can have ID types also. Few ID types are already configured here by the SOM team. Say passport. You can add an identification number, blah blah blah. Okay. Then the main part is the payment transaction. For us, the main part is the payment transaction. There is BP type also. BP type, the CRM or SOM has configured like partner type 1 to manager, blah blah blah. So I'll just put anything. And here business partner type was changed. Okay. Here the main part is the payment transaction. Okay. So for us, the payment transaction is needed. So I need to add the bank details, and later I will add the card details also, because, or maybe we can add the card detail right away because we will do the payment card. Okay, the credit card settlement, credit card posting also. So let's call it first IDB 001, country is US, and I need a sample bank key. Just randomly I'll use this one. Where is the routing number? Okay, let me use this one. ACH code for Bank of America. Let me use this one. Genius. Why am I seeing incorrect? Is that the correct? This is too long for a routing number. Let me use this one only. This is the routing number, bank key, and here we will have the bank account number also. Sample bank account number in US. Protecto. Okay, randomly I'll choose this one. And right now I am adding a new bank account number. It will ask me to create the bank account. Okay, so hit enter. So I'll just name it. What is the name of this bank? I'll call it maybe Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo, region is Georgia, street not needed. Okay, click on the green tick. So the bank is created. Okay, then rest all are fine. We can save the business partner. So business partner, okay, very good. We'll remember this number 365. So this is the business partner, but this business partner, we cannot use it yet. We have to extend the contract partner role. Okay. So right now contract partner role is not extended. So click on this edit button and from the drop down select MKK contract partner. Okay, that means now we can, I have not saved it yet, we can use the contract partner as well. So click on save. So now this business partner has the CA, I mean Prim role or subledger FICA role is now assigned. Under that, I can create the contract account. So I'll quickly show you the few basic config in the business partner also. /n SPRO. Although this is not your lookout, but still you can go to cross application component, then SAP business partner, basic settings. Okay, here we have the business partner roles, define VP role. Here you will see the MKK position, MKK. This is the contract partner role. Standard thing you don't have to do. If you want to create a Z role, like I was in a project, I saw they are using a Z front. I don't know what is the purpose, but they are creating a Z front role, ZFRONT. The project is in Angola, Africa, but I saw that. I mean, I did not get into much details about it, but they are using Z roles. Do we have Z roles here? I don't think these are custom. These are all standard roles. Okay. Next thing is uh, number range. Why the BP is created with 365, 3 series number range. Okay, I'll go to display mode. So the BP is created as 3 series number range. Let's validate. Um, business partner role come out of go to number ranges and grouping, define number range. So how many number ranges are configured in this environment? We have quite a few, 5 number range. I think it has consumed from this 03. Why it picked up 03 not 01, 02, 09 JD? Because 03 is assigned to a particular group. Okay, let's see. This 03 is assigned to which group? Define grouping and number range. So 03 is assigned to here. DC1, is it assigned anywhere else? No, only DC1. So let's see our BP, does it belong to DC1 or not? So search the BP in /o SE16N, table is BUT 000 and 365. Check what is our grouping. Our group is DC1. Okay, so since my BP belongs to DC1 group and in DC1 group the number range 03 is assigned and the 03 number range has range from 300 to something 300 to 399. Okay, this is going to exhaust shortly, so that's why it has consumed from this range. Okay, other things are there, a lot of things are there, we will not go into that details. So business partner is created. Let me quickly create the contract account as well. 365. So always make sure you make the BP in editable in display mode before you create the CA, else you'll get an error that your BP is locked, blah blah blah. So /o, can I request everyone to go on mute? Please, please, please. Ravi, please go on mute. Please unmute if you have a question. Thank you. Okay, CAA1 is a T code. CAA1 is a T code, and under 365 we have contract account category. Use a 01. Okay, so contract account config you already know. I'll just on a high level I'll show you. So /n FICA IMG. Here we have basic functions, contract account, number range and contract account categories. Define number range. How many number ranges are there? This many. And we are going to use the extended FICA CSE contract account category, which is 01. 01 has internal number range 01 assigned. Okay, so it is going to consume from 01 number range. Okay, so here I'm creating under this 01 is the contract account category and this 01 is the internal number range. Okay, so here I'll get inside and I'll add this information, Jasprit Bumrah, contract account name. Here tolerance is made as mandatory, so I'll just put a, I don't want to create, I mean we can create a tolerance group. So here let me use any of the existing tolerance group. You know how to create tolerance group also, that I explained in FICA. So let me go for BRIM. Okay, this one, payment term must have been configured here Z001. So here you'll see two payment term will apply. You'll see two payment terms. ADID I have to create my own. Let me create an ADID first. I thought of jumping these steps. So here under contract account, we have to create define account determination IDs for contract account. And here I can use it. Do I have a 2409 contract account ADID? No, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is missing. So I'll create 11. Okay. So new entry 11, Z102, residential customer. Save. Okay. Now I don't think this one will pop up right away. 11. Oh, good. It came. Again, you'll see two times. Okay. You'll see both. You'll see this payment term and ADID twice. Use the ADID which has Kofis underscore SD. Okay. So this one is Kofis underscore SC. Do not consider this when you assign the main and when you assign the GL accounts. Use the one which has Kofis underscore SD. Okay. Go to the next one. This one has Kofis underscore SD. Might be okay. So design your GL accounts based on this Kofis underscore SD. Okay. Here also you assign the payment term. Let me go for Brim. Collective will handle in a separate topic. Payment taxes, here I'll assign my company code 2409, and here also standard company code 2409. Okay, turning and all not needed right now. Scheduling I'll configure first, then I'll assign. Click on yes. Okay, account holder relationship is not assigned, so here you will find account relationship here. uh, do I have anything called 2409 or Brim? These are my students. Sonu, he did in a HC61 is a current batch. Okay, let me use HC61. Okay, you know all this config, but oh god, I thought I will have a smaller contract account number. Anyways, BP is smaller. So let me validate 100615. Is this a number range? It is supposed to get. So I will go back to I'll go back to the number range and validate. So here it has 01 internal number range. Let's see what does 01 say. Is it a longer number or shorter? 01 was this one. Okay, longer. There is no, all are longer. This one was shorter. 05 number range was shorter, easy. Okay, but it has exhausted, I guess, fully. Uh, this one is also 4 digit. Okay, that's fine. So the contract account is created. Okay, so I skipped couple of contract account config. Let me quickly show you, because I already shown that in the FICA config, and all of you have, apart from Shlomi, everybody has attended my FICA training. I'll just quickly show you. I added uh, the BPC relationship from here. Okay, create a relationship. If you can use an existing relationship or you can create a new. Just make sure you check the account holder checkbox. This is needed to determine the BPC relationship uniquely. Okay, nothing else. If you double click, it will not go anywhere. Then what else did I do? I added the tolerance group. Okay, tolerance group you will find, sorry, tolerance group you will find open item management.
Savitra, what is this business partner relationship?
Business partner and contract account relationship is needed to uniquely determine the BP and CA. Okay. If a BP can have multiple CA, similarly, it may happen that um sometimes multiple BP can have one CA. This is needed for, say you have five customer. Out of the five customers, say you have seen that Airtel Extreme Fiber ad where father, mother, son, and daughter, everybody has taken Airtel subscription, but the father acts as a main. Okay, so that BP and CA relationship is needed. Which BP belongs to which CA? For that, the relationship is needed to uniquely identify the BPCA. Okay, that's why you assign a BPCA relationship.
Okay.
Okay, open data management, tolerance, maintain tolerance group. You have seen this. So I don't recall which one. I think I took this one. Okay, anyways, we are not going to I mean, it will not impact anything. You just need to make sure that you have currency USD. That's it. Whatever your company code currency is, you must have that one. Okay, then as I told, the below ones are for technical purpose. And also I assigned payment term. So it is under posting document maintain payment terms. So which payment term did I use? Let me validate what will be my payment term. This is the CA display. I used payment term brim. Okay, brim. Payment term for brim, it is assigned with payment term 0001. Okay, /O OBB8. 0001 means immediately due. Okay, there is no due date. Anyways, we are not bothered about payment term anymore because we are not going to receive the payments. Here we will solely focus on CI. Payments and all we did in FICA. We will focus on CI maybe only for payment card. Credit card payment we may have, but again, the credit card payment will be prepaid also. But anyways, we'll see. Payment card, we are not much bothered in this trading. Okay. So payment card, CA master is created. Next, provided contract or partner agreement I cannot create because that is created from SOM. The product assignment and everything happens from SOM. Let me show you. I don't know if this environment has 1/o fp underscore pv3, sorry, vt3. Okay, let me see one provider contract which is already created here. This CA doesn't have any. Let me see any existing, say, test material maybe. So this one is looks more professional because the VPR 1 2 3 4. I don't trust those. Let me see this one, testing discount billable bit. Okay, let's see anything. So this is how the provider contract look like. It has name, it is tagged with Kurt Angle. Very good business partner. This one I created only Kurt Angle, but I did not have any contract. Somebody has added a contract. Okay, it has start date, end date, time zone here, India. In the general data, we have, so different validity will come from the SOM. Okay, validity period, maybe it is created on 11/11/24, valid to this date. Okay, valid to contract account is assigned here. Our part is in the account assignment side. Here we have the sales organization, distribution channel, division, company code data, business area, division, segment, and if you scroll down you will find the product also. Here somebody has created a disk test product. Okay, so here you can see the product disk test. This is the product they have created. Okay, so I will not have any what do I say, any contract. Will do it at BP and CA level. Okay, I'll quickly try to generate a bit. If the bit doesn't generate, then maybe we'll see. Okay, my assumption is without assigning the GL account, I can still generate the bit. Let's see if I can generate the bit real quick. Then we will continue from that tomorrow. So I'll quickly /n bit generation. I'm going to do using the test function module test program. So the program is AC38 Ideally, it will be interfaced from the upstream system. Since here I don't have any upstream system, I'll just create from here. RFKK Bixbit sample is the program. Okay, come here, execute this. Our billable item class is Z102. Application area is S. Company code 2409. Division 01. Sub process also Z102. Source transaction type CCCIT. CCCIT. Source transaction ID. I'll use a source transaction ID. Say show today is 0107 hyphen 1. Okay. I think this is my contract account, right? 615 that I created right now. Okay, it has taken. This is a contract account. Now I want to generate bit types. Okay, so our bit types are Z102 installations fee. Then also not necessary every all 4 bit type will come. So let me create, because I need to see the assignment also. Okay, 8120, 8121, 8122. So I'll whatever bit type I have created, I'll try to generate them. Z104 and manually type Z105. Okay, put 4 here. This is valid from say 0101 uh 12 2025 till 24 till 31st 12 2024. Okay, so these bits were generated back in December. Okay, and amount, say the amounts are of 20 $20 each. Okay, I'll just create a variant Z102 bits. Okay, looks fine. I will not, if it doesn't work, maybe I'll fix it. I'll check it tomorrow. Okay, I'll not spend time because we are already at the top of our time. So execute and see if there is any issue or not. Okay, there is some issue. So we will fix that tomorrow and we'll continue with the training. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you, Subhadra. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.